Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is a low D double drone tuned to 440 Hertz. And as you notice, this flute here is different than anyone else's out there in the world. I don't use buttons on my finger holes. I use leather. So I design it just like this, because with the leather you can hold your hand flat to play these finger holes right here. With the buttons you have to cup your fingers like so, because the buttons stand up tall, but to me that's uncomfortable, so I designed mine like this to where I can just hold my hands flat and be comfortable. And also with this mouthpiece, as you can see, the regular side here with the 6 holes, I have it up just a little bit, and the drone side is down just a little bit. That way you can tell what hole is in your mouth. And also I did it close together where you won't have to open your mouth up really wide. It'll be comfortable for you. Now this one here has my one turquoise stone on the fetishes, the block. It's a very beautiful piece of aromatic cedar wood. It has an oil finish. Beautiful piece of wood on the bottom. Okay, if you bear with me, I'll let you hear what this baby sounds like. Now this flute here is on sale. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away, folks. Beautiful. This one here is concert tune. It's recording quality. And you can do practically anything with it. It's very soothing. It has a very deep, calming voice. 440 Hertz, low D. How you remove your leather, there's a trick to it. Don't slide it up and down because you can damage your leather. There's a knot up on the bottom of your leather. Just grab that knot and pull down on it. When you pull down on it, just twist your leather off your finger hole. Just like so. Now I have this leather really tight. So when you first get it, you might have to work with it just a little bit. But like I said, just pull down on it and then twist it up. Now you can play each individual hole. Like this one here sounds like this. Up a little bit, but it's all right. Okay, pull down on your leather, on your knot. Just grab your knot now and twist your leather just like so. Just twist it just like that off your finger hole. Very easy. Okay, now I have 2 holes open. Do a whole lot more than what I did. I'm just trying to speed up the video. Okay, grab your knot, pull down on it, and remove it off 3rd finger hole. Okay, just like so. Very simple. More than that, but this has a wonderful voice. Doesn't take much breath either, folks. Like I said, I have this one here on sale, and I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one. Right now, folks, is the best time to get these drones while they're on sale, because I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep them on sale, folks. You better get them now. I promise you, you will not go wrong, and you'll enjoy it, and they are a lot of fun. Thank you so much, folks, for watching my videos. I appreciate everything you do for me. Have a good one.